Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to convert Atome Card to cash. So let's start. So first you have to Atome Cash Loan. This is the only official way to get cash from Atome. It's a very feature from your credit limit. So the only way to do it is this one. If you find another way, maybe it's a scam, so it is the official way. So you have to apply for the loan directly through the Atome app. So you go to Atome app and you can directly apply for it. Okay, Atome Clash Financing, here you have. So you have to submit your application and then you have to choose your financing amount like show the picture, and then you have to manage your repayments. So here track and manage your financing through the bill steps. So here you can go, and that's it guys. You will start receiving your cash, your automatic credit on your cash, so there is no problem. As you can see, it's very easy to follow the steps here, and the only way is this one. The official way is this one, so follow these steps to get what you want. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.